Howdy and welcome to Templar Defense. We understand that this might be your first experience with firearms and you might be a little bit nervous, but don't worry, we will walk you through the entire process, and at the end of the day you will have a newfound confidence in your abilities. Now, regardless of if you're a brand new shooter, if you have some experience, both of our hybrid LTC and our fundamental pistol classes are for you. What makes our classes a little bit different than most is that we actually incorporate firearms training into our curriculum where other LTC classes do not. We are first and foremost teachers whose goal is to help you understand why we do things a certain way. When you get to the range, you will be welcomed to a friendly and ego-free environment, and after a quick safety and medical brief, we will start with teaching you the hows and whys of gripping a pistol, how to use your sights, stance, and trigger press. As we move to the live fire portion, we will walk you through your first shots step by step. Once our students get their initial anxiety out of the way, we start to give them more tools to help them gain confidence and ability. We also spend quite a bit of time diagnosing common shooting errors to make the student more accurate. About halfway through the range session, we'll take a quick break and get off our feet, relax a little bit as we discuss more in depth about the proper use of deadly force, as well as teaching the student where to shoot and why. This is where we dispel common myths and misconceptions that the student might have so that they have the tools to overcome and win a deadly force encounter if the need ever arises. After our break and lecture, we'll get back on the shooting line and start shooting from 7 and 15 yards. As we back away from the target, we'll start noticing that our shots are doing things that they didn't do at closer distances, but don't worry, we will help you fix these mistakes so that regardless of what distance you're shooting at, you'll be able to make your hits on target. We finish up our class with the LTC pistol qualification and a 25-question multiple choice test. We have yet to have a student fail the shooting portion who did exactly as we instructed him. Most of our students shoot in the 90th percentile, while we have had many first-time shooters score 100%. Our class has both a 100% rating on Google and Facebook. The best comments we have received are, if I would have known this was so much fun, I would have signed up sooner. So from able-bodied 21-year-olds to senior citizens with arthritis, we work with everyone to make sure that they have the tools needed to be successful. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you in class.